Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make a famous Malaysian chili paste. And today I'm actually going to improve it a little bit. Yeah, slightly different than what I used to do. It is actually Sambal Ikan Bilis, meaning it's a sambal chili paste with Ikan Bilis, which is anchovies. Okay, so as the name suggests, I have a good amount of anchovies here. To be very frank, I got no idea how much is it. Well, just take it as about one small bowl. Yes, one small bowl of anchovies here. This is a high grade of anchovies. As you can see, the color is really nice. And I have one similar amount, similar amount of dried chili, rehydrated, meaning you soak it under water until it is softened. So dried chili and also anchovies. Then we have approximately 1 tablespoon of this is roasted belacan, and also 3 cloves of garlic, 3 shallots. And we are going to start making the yummy chili paste now. Okay, first of all, we are going to blend the chili paste. Let's put in the garlic, shallot, rehydrated chili, dried chili, this is probably about 25 to 30 pieces, of rehydrated dried chili. And there's something that I'm going to put that I previously never put before. I learned it from one of my friends, which is to add in the Ikan Bilis as well. It really enhances the flavor of your chili paste when you do this. This is really, really nice. Okay, so I'm going to put in about a handful of Ikan Bilis inside. The rest I'm going to deep fry it. And I'm going to add in some water to help the blending process. And also, this is the roasted belacan powder. Close the lid. On the power. Ooh. Oh, already smell very fragrant. I never added the anchovies inside. I mean, previously I added some dried shrimp, but never the anchovies. And one day when I was eating nasi lemak prepared by one of my friends, he put in the anchovies inside. So it does really bring out the fragrance of the belacan even more. I mean the sambal even more. Okay, if you want it to be a little bit more creamier, you can add in some oil. Alright, it's basically done. Let me off the power. Wow. Ooh, very creamy. Very nice. Alright, next thing we are going to deep fry our anchovies until it is crispy. Put in some good amount of oil here. One very good question I had before, which is, Appa, do I have to wash the anchovies? Sometimes I really rinse it with water. Some people told me, no, you don't rinse it because you're going to make it softer, and then later you need to make it crispy again. That is a waste of time. So most of the hawkers, they will not rinse it anymore, right? So it's up to you. If you want to rinse it, you rinse it, but it's really not necessary. And you want to use a medium heated oil to slowly deep fry the anchovies until it is crispy. It will only take, I would say, only a couple of minutes. and you need to keep on stirring. Yeah. Okay, this is using a medium-low heat. Actually very fast, about 2 or 3 minutes, it already become golden in color, and you will notice all the bubbles just now has already gone. That is telling you, this is giving you a sign that it is almost fully cooked. Okay, and don't use too high heat. You want to slowly deep fry it. Right, it's basically done. I'm going to remove the oil and then put the anchovies onto oil absorbing paper. Only takes me about 2-3 minutes. Okay, I spread my anchovies on top of the oil absorbing paper so they become even more crispier. Now we are going to fry the sambal. This is the oil frying the anchovies just now. I don't mind using it because it has some fragrance already. And you can actually put in your mixed paste earlier. Anything chili paste, you basically have to use quite a lot of oil. Yeah. The oil can actually help you to store your chili paste inside the fridge for longer as well. So you want to use medium to medium-low to slowly saute your chili paste. Wow, super fragrant. If it's too dry, feel free to add more oil. Then you need to keep on stirring. If not, it will stick at the bottom, yeah? We will do the seasoning slightly later. But do bear in mind, inside already got some ikan bilis. The ikan bilis itself is already salted. Wow, very fragrant. I wish you can smell this. I'm going to add in some more oil. Let's continue saute this for a couple of minutes before we continue. We'll come back shortly. This is after about 3-4 minutes sauteing under medium-low heat. We are going to start giving some seasoning right now. I'm going to give it a little bit of salt, a little bit of fish sauce. All the ingredients I use, I will put inside the video description. Okay, you can check it out from there. It's all listed. And then I'm going to add in some of my Cooking Apa 100% natural chicken powder. Appa never measure, okay? Just put it in like that. And then some sugar. You can put more sugar, no problem. Keep on stirring. And the sugar is going to get caramelized and make the color even darker. Continue to saute this for the next at least another 2-3 minutes. Then it is basically almost done. Of course, we need to add in our crispy anchovies, ikan bilis. We'll come back shortly. Okay, this is cooking time about 7-6 minutes under medium-low heat. It's basically almost done. Let's just try to see the taste. Super fragrant. Savory enough. Ooh, a bit spicy. Definitely need more sugar. Malaysian chili paste actually add quite a lot of sugar. Okay, let's stir until the sugar is nicely melted. Then we will add in the ikan bilis and done. I can actually eat. You can actually eat this with nasi lemak, and of course you can eat this with. To me, I can finish one bowl of white rice using this, and maybe some one fried egg. All right, and last but not least, our crispy anchovies. Now I'm going to off the fire, give it a few stir, and our sambal ikan bilis is done. Wow. Wow, looks so good. Okay, I'm going to serve. Make sure you added enough sugar on this, okay? Alright, so here's our very simple sambal ikan bilis enhanced version. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.